2008 Dodge Ram 1500 four-wheel drive with a 4.7 V8. What a truck. This truck is rare. A 133,000 mile rust-free Ram 1500 in a fantastic and unique blue color here. This truck is super clean, body, interior, and look, and it's getting so hard to find. I'm going to do a video walk around of this one, show you the ins and out of it, and just truly how nice it is. Of course, it's a used truck, so it's going to have blemishes, it's going to have scratches, little things here and there, but overall, especially for one of these Ram trucks, this one is slick. This one is finished in a color called Electric Blue Metallic, and what a color. To me, that's really what sets this truck apart from really any other Ram and a lot of other trucks out there. Just really sets out there in the sun. Absolutely gorgeous. Tons of metallic, a deep blue color, and just really sharp. Looking here in the front, it's in nice shape. The headlights are still in good shape. They're not all fogged up or anything. The chrome here on the edge is a little bit wrinkly, like a lot of these Ram trucks do on the grill. They're not uncommon, but very clean other than that. Coming down this passenger side, very clean down here. You know, a few little skiffs in the there that would buff out pretty easily. Nothing major. Looking here at the back, the tailgate overall is in nice shape. They've taken off the 4x4 label back here, and so it does have some scratches here where they would have put the 4x4. We may try and get some emblems to go over that again, but just wanted to point that out. It does have a fantastically sounding dual-tipped chrome side pipe exhaust. Just really makes this truck come alive. It does have the full tow package on it as well. There, but yeah, just a really sweet exhaust. I'll try and point that out later. Nice chrome bed rails on it, set side bed, very thick on this bed side. One small little scratches right here, looks like. The hood is in good shape, the top end's in good shape. This has what I think really makes or breaks a Ram truck. 20-inch chrome just really pops out here. It's sitting on basically new Hankook Dynapro tires. Very expensive set of wheels and tires. They made the tires, the wheels are just Ram wheels, but very high quality set of wheels, or of tires. You know, it's probably 80,000 mile tire. And then the chrome wheels just really set the look of this truck. So we'll go ahead and jump on the inside, take a look at that. Inside's in nice shape, of course, all power locks and windows and mirrors. It does have this one little tear in the vinyl siding here. Pretty common since it's just vinyl. That's not too surprising. But the rest of the seats are in great shape. They're not all ripped up. The upholstery's in good shape. The cloth and stitching is all in good shape. All of your headlight controls there. It does have cruise control. Of course, a clean and clear dash. These Ram pickups are good trucks. They're hard to find where they've been taken care of because so many people just seem to run them hard and stuff, but this one just really runs and drives super smooth down the road. As I mentioned, only 133,000 miles on this one. Very low for a 2008. And you just don't find Ram trucks like this with that kind of mileage anymore. AM, FM, CD radio player, and AUX input there. Air conditioning's ice cold blowing here. Your shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive, it all works, of course. The dash is all in great shape, no cracks in it, no melting, nothing like that. Very rare on a Dodge as well. I'm gonna go ahead and jump back up here. We'll do a quick key cycle of the truck. Go ahead and start it back up here. If I can get the sunlight to work with me. once again, that exhaust is just really, really great. Very throaty, sounds good, not too loud out on the interstate or anything like that. It just really sounds good. Go ahead and move back to the back seat. Very clean back here as well. It doesn't look like a lot of use back here. Carpets are in good shape. You know, the rest of the seats are all in good shape. Passenger side seats in good shape. Once again, just very, very clean. Does have the pop-up seat in the middle there on the front, so you could have seating for 6. Go ahead and pop the hood. The hood here, as I mentioned, is the 4.7 Magnum V8. Very, very good engine. Very reliable. Still has plenty of power. You know, everybody says to get the Hemi, just get the big 5.7 and blah, blah, blah. But I think the 4.7 is a great engine. Has plenty of power to move a truck like this size. And with that exhaust, if people wouldn't know that, it's a smaller V8, that's for sure. Very clean, straightforward under the hood here, though. No leaks, nothing crazy going on. No aftermarket wires, no funny noises, just really sounds. As I mentioned, this truck is just pristine on the outside as far as the rust goes. There's not any rust on it. If you look at these VOLs, as many of you probably know, these are the problem childs on this generation for him. They get bubbled, they just rot away. This truck came from down south, so just very, very clean. You look underneath, it's clean as well. Just very straightforward, and just the way you'd want to have a Ram in this full package. No rust. Sharp wheels and tires, good sounding exhaust, very clean, low miles for one of these in a 2008 especially, and just a sharp truck. So if this truck is of interest, feel free to get in contact with us. It's Miles and Brad Beckman here at Eagle Care Autos in McPherson. Brad, he's my dad, he's the owner. We're a small family dealership. We've been here about 20 years, and we look forward to serving you in whatever way we can, whether it's on this truck or something else. Find us on our website, eaglecareautos.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, find us on Facebook, like us there, and just let us know how we can help. So thanks so much for watching.